When you open the bottle and you have this sour fermented scent, this sends the first signal to your brain and to your body. The gut and the brain is connected, the gut brain, and it sends a signal to your vegetative system, which works without thinking. You don't know what is happening, but when you smell it, then all the digestive juices are started to be produced in your gut, and the motility in the bowels are starting or being a bit more, because it says that something will come from the outside into the body, and it needs to be treated because it is made by bacteria. That is the key trigger for a good digestion. And if you take these, then your digestive system will produce more natural antibiotics in your saliva. It will enhance the mucus layer in the stomach. It means that the stomach can produce a very strong acid to kill all kind of bacteria, because it comes from the outside. To be on the safe side, make it good for the human body. And then the bowels, the small intestine itself, start to produce, it's called these gastric juices that are full of different type of enzymes, and all these enzymes are doing the job of digesting the proteins into smaller and smaller pieces, the amino acids, which is needed for us. And therefore it enhances the total digestive process, not just for the fiber digestion. In this respect.
So it does help with food intolerance of some kind. Would it be safe to say?
Yes, we have experienced some kind of desensibilization effect. It means that when you have an intolerance for some kind of food, and you keep a very good diet to avoid these foods, and then you start to use Herbaferm, and then you make your digestive tract in a balance, in a strength. It's like training. So after 3 or 4 weeks, you can re-enter a small dose, the food you were previously sensitive to. And then your body can learn again how to digest it, how to treat it. Yeah, you have to know that all these little cells are renewing on a daily basis. I mean, the intestinal cells are renewing in a 3-day rotation. And the memory cells living in the gut are totally renewing in 3 months. So if you have a severe condition and you are restoring the balance, then the small problems can be cured in 3 days, because the lining of the bowels are exchanged into good ones in 3 days, even if they are damaged. And if the problem is more severe, then it needs at least 3 months in order to have the complete lining changed, because the regeneration process is quite fast in the intestines, because they are such a close proximity to the environment in this respect.